A Guide for Immigrants Accused of Crimes in Florida. Written by Joseph Mitkevichus. Understanding the Stakes. Criminal Charges and Immigration Status. When you are not a U.S. citizen, a criminal charge can have two separate battles. Criminal case. This is handled in state court for Florida state charges, or federal court if it's a federal crime. Here, the question is whether you are guilty of the crime and what punishment you face under criminal law. Immigration consequences. This is handled in immigration proceedings, separate from the criminal court. Here, the issue is whether your immigration status will be taken away or if you will be deported because of the criminal case. It's important to understand that these two systems are connected, but they are not the same. Even if you resolve your criminal case, it can affect your ability to stay in the U.S. or ever come back if you are deported. For example, a minor conviction that might result in a small fine or probation in criminal court could still cause a serious immigration problem like deportation. In immigration law, certain offenses are labeled as deportable offenses or inadmissible offenses. This means if you are convicted of those crimes, or even in some cases if you admit to them in court, the government can try to deport you. Deportation, also called removal, is the process of the U.S. government forcing a non-citizen to leave the country. It can be triggered by certain criminal convictions or even certain arrests. The laws about this are found in the Immigration and Nationality Act, which lists the types of crimes that can lead to deportation. We will cover those types of crimes in a later section, but examples include things like drug offenses, theft or fraud, called crimes of moral turpitude, domestic violence, and any offense classified as an aggravated felony in immigration law. Key point. Not every crime will automatically get you deported, but many common ones can. And even if you are not automatically deportable, any arrest or conviction can put you on ICE's radar. ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, is the agency that handles immigration enforcement. Florida law enforcement agencies cooperate closely with ICE. When you're arrested, your fingerprints and information go into databases that ICE can see. If ICE thinks you are deportable, or if they find out you have no legal status, they can place a hold, detainer, on you or decide to take you into immigration custody. We will talk more about ICE holds and what they mean in the next sections. Understanding these stakes is important so that you take every part of your case seriously. In the criminal court, the focus might be on avoiding jail or getting a lesser charge. But for you, avoiding deportation or losing status might be even more important than the criminal penalty. The U.S. Supreme Court has recognized that for many immigrants, preserving the right to stay in the United States may be more important than any potential jail sentence. This guide will help you balance those concerns.